Hi, welcome to Alfa Vitamins. My name is Alex and I am the GM here. I believe you already know me because we met once before, but I wanted to give you guys a little insight on our facility and make you feel a bit trustworthy when working with us here at Alfa Vitamins. Please come inside. Just so you guys see, these are our office spaces, but we're gonna go straight into the manufacturing and packaging, which is the nitty gritty and what you're mostly interested in. Make sure you guys feel confident with our services here at Alfa. We're going to be stepping into the GMP section of things, so I'm going to put on the GMP gear and I'll be right back with all of you. Thank you. Now that we're GMP ready, let's step inside and show you guys a bit of our packaging. Please, come in. This is the entrance to the packaging facility. We have about 5 different packaging lines, and all of the lines per shift can do up to 20,000 bottles. So giving you guys just a bit of insight so you can get a feel for what it would be to work with us here at Alfa. And we would love your business, and we appreciate you guys jumping on board and joining us with your manufacturing and packaging venture. I believe we'll do great products together. Just to give you guys a little tour, we're going to see one of our main packaging lines now. I'm going to show you guys how we package some of the products. We're back on the packaging line now. This is packaging line number 1, and I wanted just to give you guys a little insight and a feel for how we package products here at Alfa. As you can tell, our scrambler over here is bringing out the bottles ready to be sent over to our filler. When you come over here to the filler, as you can see, we have dual fillers in this packaging line. Each filler can fill up to 40 bottles a minute right now, and it can push up to 60 bottles a minute with the count that we're doing. When you come over here, you can see the inkjet, which is the lot and manufacturing and expiration date that goes underneath the bottle. We also have the option to put cotton inside the bottle, which is not working right now because this product doesn't take that. And this is the cap machine that puts the cap on top of the bottles, as you can see. This sealer seals the seal inside the cap, making sure that the product is completely safe and inside and nobody could get and manipulate it inside. Once it comes through here, it goes into sleever, which is the new technology that we have for labeling. We also have a labeling machine, but we're using the sleever right now. As you can see, the products get the sleeve put on, have a laser sensor which lets them know and lays the sleeve on there with great precision, as you can tell. It comes into the steam heat tunnel, and coming into the steam heat tunnel, it'll come out here into this table, and as you can tell, flawless presentation. Now we're going to go into the manufacturing section and we're going to give you guys a little walkthrough. Okay, so we're here. This is the capsule and tablet section of things. We have about 10 machines on each side. We're going to show you one of the tablet machines that we use so you can see it running as of right now. Please, come inside. This is one of our state-of-the-art tablet machines. It's not our fastest machine, but it does do very well when it comes to bringing product out and making sure that we can get to high-quality product on time. I hope you guys have liked the small tour so far, just to give you, like I said, a feel of what it would be to manufacture here with us at Alfa. Like the machine you saw, we have about 10 others for tableting and capsuling. Some bigger than others. This one here to the right is a little bit faster, and it does a lot higher production. But we're going to go into the raw material warehouse now so you guys can see the raw material warehouse that we have to hold all raw material stock. So welcome to the raw material warehouse. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a tour, get a feel of the capacity that we have here at Alfa, holding your raw material if we have to. Most of the raw materials we have here are for our stock products, but we do hold raw material for a lot of our partners and distributors that we do business with, and they have specific formulas that we have to cater to. So the raw materials, once they come in, they are first checked by our lab to make sure they come up to all standards. So before they step into this warehouse, they go through a quarantine process. Once they pass that quarantine process with the lab check, then they're brought into this warehouse. The same thing goes for final product presentation. So once we make your finished product and we have your final product ready for the market, we make sure we do the correct analysis and lab test to give you the final product standard as well and COA. Please take a look at the warehouse. Have a great tour. Thank you so much for coming by and enjoying the tour here with us. Just a small tour to give you a feel of packaging and manufacturing and show you a bit of the raw material space that we have. Hopefully you can come see us in person and we can set a meeting so that we can go over everything together and start a fruitful business relationship with your esteemed company. Have a wonderful time and thank you very much.